Boo! Hi guys! I'm in Gujarat and this is the very first vlog I'm ever doing, but I thought I'll actually take you guys along. So yeah, let's see if this will actually continue or if it's just me wanting to do something that I'm not gonna keep up with. Like all of my New Year resolutions. We're in Gujarat, baby. This is the very first time I'm actually coming to North India. Oh, that's a really bad view. He always takes time. All the time, taking the time. Quick fun fact, I'm actually scared of the lift. So right now, I'm really freaked out. Usually I'm really silent in the lift because I'm just so scared. But for you, as I will talk. That's it, open. Gujarat actually is very much like Kerala, I feel. If you've seen Kerala, it's pretty much the same. So we're in Ahmedabad. This is where we stay. Looks like a dingy little hotel, but the rooms are really nice. And I can't wait to do shopping in some of these places.
This concept is there all over Ahmedabad, Gujarat and Rajasthan. This was also a resting place for them.
For whom? Oh, look at the work.
I know, that's right.
So beautiful.
What is this thing actually made of? It's
Stone, right?
Sandstone.
Oh, this is so pretty. And this was meant to be just a resting place.
Yeah, and
just
this
imagine
is
how
no
rich
water.
India was.
Yeah, and
store water where?
it's there, so that's where they kept it.
This is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
It's called Stepwell. There are a lot of stepwells.
Oh, this is why it's called Stepwell?
Yeah.
Where is the water thing?
It's there down.
Oh, we're going. It's actually like me doing a show for Asianet or something. Like, wow, so beautiful. Oh, by the way, there are bats. Can I show you some bats? Come. Oh,
Yeah, up
so
there.
scary.
Between those two. See, whenever you see the bat ship, they're there.
I thought they lizard shit, man. They have these pokey things
Why?
so that pigeons won't sit on it. Like what? They'll just sit in between it. Why would they sit on it? Maybe they were for like giant pigeons back in the day. Like giant turkey pigeons. Like, come on. I think they're having romantic time and you're taking a video of it. And this must be teak, no? Is this teak?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah, but this is all
All new stuff.
Oh, new.
It was all accessible only.
So how come nobody's stealing it and doing it? You know, considering Indian.
Put into it. Why would they steal it?
Fine.
Yeah. Some Gujarati food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Going for lunch?
Very nice.
We're actually waiting. Look at the crowd. Finally got the table and check out how big the plate is. Hand. That's in comparison to our hand. Look at, oh my god. Am I gonna eat in this, baby? Look at the rush. Crazy rush. People just coming in like they'll never get food again. Awesome.
That's naan.
Oh my god, I'm getting too excited.
That's dokla. Sandwich dokla.
Did you get anything? The cool part is all gone.
We can go back.
Yeah. Okay, you know what?
Masters, there is MIAD Masters, then there is Arts and Communication, then there is
urban design, there's planning. Planning has still a lot of possibilities. Urban planning, rural development planning, infrastructure planning.
Friend, she's showing me around her campus, and she's telling me about her campus, and the campus life over here is so different from what we are used to back in Kerala, because we have like a confined building.
No, this is only restricted to the architecture college.
Oh.
Other campuses are
Boring.
Yeah.
Like, okay. I'll show you some more of the other. I mean, just check this out.
They required plywood finish.
Who would think of this as a university? What? They have so many dogs. So even if you are one of those lonely souls with no friends, you'll have plenty of dogs to keep you company. Cool place. I mean, seriously, studying in such a college, like my husband says, you'd feel like studying. He says there'll be motivation to come to the college with hot girls in hot pants. I don't know, really? Really? Really, husband? Look at him, so happy. Doshi's Gufa, what is that?
B.V. Doshi is a famous architect here in Ahmedabad. And he's made that structure you see there.
It's not Hussein's Gufa, it's Doshi's Gufa.
It's Hussein Dosi's.
So this is just like the tip of the iceberg, right? The rest is all underneath.
That's why they call it a gufa.
A what?
A gufa.
It's a cave.
The architecture students built this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not my cup. Okay, you know what? I wanted to tell you. Did some shopping. Because it's a lot cheaper, like clothes are a lot cheaper over here than in my hometown in Cochin. But now I'm at home with my friend, chilling, having some tea. Hanging null. That is so cool.
It's not actually hanging.
I know that. It's happy.
We wanted to do this last night, but then it was too late.
It's your anniversary.
Sit together.
And mine. Thank you.
Let me start cutting.
Oh, I was supposed to cut now, by the way. Should we use this now? Let's see. What are you doing?
I'm making it 2 pieces.
Why?
So you can give me, I can give you.
We could bite off each one piece.
It's all on video, remember?
Okay, baby. Let's do it ultra cheesy.
Why would you feed yourself?
That's how old this gate is.
But it wouldn't be 1457, but yeah, later he started building it.
Are they praying? What are they doing? Yeah, they're praying.
It's a temple.
$100 ग्राम आपको
नहीं वो ना कर
का मिक्स करे दो
I'll have rasmalai. No, you have rasmalai. I'll have kulfi. Oh my god. This is
Gantia. It's made from the same egg. They prepare it for the whole night. And in the morning they do all this.
जलेबी खावा नीचे बहन
happy birthday.
Good morning.
It's coffee time. We're just checking out. The people over here are so kind and peaceful and no road rage. So patient. You know, all of you, I'm sure all of you are familiar with Gandhi. He's called the father of our nation. Ahmedabad or Gujarat is the birthplace of Gandhi, and I actually feel like all the people over here have taken him as a role model, and they're actually, you know, how do we say it? Everybody's like him, like peaceful and...
They're Gandhians.
Really true. It's not just namesake and it's not a show. So anyways, we're waiting for our friends, and while waiting, we did some shopping and all yesterday. There are a few shops that we missed out yesterday, so we thought we'll just go and check it out while they come. Yeah. Colorful stuff, yo. Colorful stuff.
Chaat, dhokla, patra, papad, 2 daily vegetables. This is paratha, tepla, chas, nimbu pani, sukdi, moong khichdi, kadi dhanchak, bhat fadani khichdi, dahi sabudana khichdi, and last but not least dahi.
Dahi. And that's all that he wants to have. And what about you guys?
Not as much as you guys, but yeah, we do.
What is this?
I don't know. I've had it for the first time, but it's something like the idlis batter, which has garlic.
This is dal dhokli.
Yeah, it's got roti cooked in dal.